Chapter 3. Business Environment. What is business environment? Environment means surroundings. Business environment refers to those aspects of the surroundings business enterprise which affect its operations and determine its effectiveness. There are two types of business environmental factors: internal and external factors. Internal environmental factors are events that occur within an organization. External environmental factors are events that take place outside of the organization and are harder to predict and control. Meaning of business environment. The term business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions, and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise, but that may affect its performance. Business environment is the most important aspect of any business. The forces which constitute the business environment are its suppliers, competitors, media, government, economic conditions, market conditions, investors, technologies, trends, and multiple other institutions working externally. But these forces affect the business. Features of business environment. 1. Totality of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of all the forces and factors external to a business firm. 2. Specific and general forces. Business environment includes both specific and general forces. Specific forces include investors, competitors, customers, etc., who influence the business firm directly. While general forces include social, political, economic, legal, and technological conditions, which affect a business firm indirectly. 3. Interrelatedness. All the forces and factors of a business environment are closely interrelated. For example, increased awareness of healthcare has raised the demand for organic food and roasted snacks. 4. Business environment is dynamic. Business environment is dynamic, in which it keeps on changing with the change in technology, shift in consumer preferences, etc. 5. Uncertainty. Business environment is uncertain as it is difficult to predict the future environmental changes. For example, in IT, fashion industry, frequent and fast changes are taking place. 6. Business environment is very complex. It is very difficult to understand the impact of business environment on the companies. Although it is easy to scan the environment, but it is very difficult to know how these changes will influence business decisions. Sometimes change may be minor, but it might have large impact. For example, a change in government policy to increase the tax rate by 5% may affect the income of company by large amount. 7. Relativity. Business environment is a relative concept whose impact differs from country to country, region to region, and firm to firm. Suppose, if I was the world's best cake maker, can I sell my cake and pastries in Iraq? No, because it is a terrorism country. They might shoot me. Therefore, the business environment is a relative concept, since it differs from country to country. Political conditions in the India, for instance, differ from those in Iraq, or Pakistan, or Afghanistan. The importance of business environment and its understanding by managers can be appreciated if we consider the following facts. 1. It enables, or helps, the firm to identify opportunities to get the first mover advantage. Environment provide various opportunities for business success. Understanding business environment helps an organization in identifying advantageous opportunities and exploiting benefits earlier than the competitors. 2. Business environment helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signal. Threats refer to the external environment, trends and changes that will make it difficult for a firm's performance. Environmental awareness can help managers of an organization to identify various threats on time and serve as an early warning signal. 3. Business environment helps in tapping useful resources. Business environment is a source of various resources such as man, machine, money, raw material, power, etc. to a business firm. By understanding the business environment, an enterprise can design policies to acquire the required resources and convert them into output that environment desires. 4. Business environment helps in coping with rapid changes. Business environment is very dynamic, where changes are taking place at a fast pace. Changes such as turbulent market conditions, less brand loyalty, etc. In order to cope with significant changes, managers must understand, examine, and develop a suitable course of action. 5. Business environment helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Since environment is a source of both opportunities and threats for a business firm, by understanding and analysis of business environment can be the basis for planning and policy formulation in an organization. For instance, entry of new players in the market, which means more competition, may make an enterprise think afresh about how to deal with the situation. 6. Business environment helps in improving performance. The final reason for understanding business environment relates to whether or not it really makes a difference in the performance of an enterprise. Correct analysis and continuous monitoring of business environment helps an organization in improving its performance. There are 5 dimensions of the business environment that influence many firms. These dimensions include the economic environment, the social environment, the technological environment, the political environment, and the legal environment. 1. Economic environment. Economic environment has immediate and direct impact on a business. Rate of interest, inflation rate, change in disposable income of people, monetary policy, stock market indices, etc. are some economic factors which could affect business firms. 2. Social environment. Business environment includes various social forces such as customs, beliefs, literacy rate, educational levels, lifestyle, values, etc. Social trends present various opportunities and threats to business enterprise. For example, the celebration of Diwali, Eid, and Christmas in India provides significant financial opportunities for greetings card companies, sweets or confectionery manufacturers, tailoring outlets, and many other related business. 3. Technological environment. It includes forces relating to scientific improvements and innovations, which provide new ways of producing goods and services, and new methods and techniques of operating business. For example, recent technological advances in computers and electronics have modified the ways in which companies advertise their products. Similarly, retailers have direct links with suppliers who fill up again stocks when needed. Airline companies have internet and World Wide Web pages where customers can look for flight times, destinations, and book their tickets online. 4. Political environment. It includes political conditions, such as general stability and peace in the country, and the attitude of the elected government representatives hold towards businesses. Political stability builds confidence among business community, while political instability and bad law and order situation may bring uncertainty in business activities. 5. Legal environment. Legal environment includes various laws and legislations, passed by the government, administrative orders, court judgments, decisions of various commissions and agencies at every level of the government, central, state or local. Businessmen have to act according to various legislations, and their knowledge is very necessary. Economic environment in India. New Industrial Policy 1991. In 1991, the Indian economy faced a serious crisis, and therefore the Government of India announced a new industrial policy in July 1991. New Industrial Policy 1991 had the following features. 1. The government reduced the number of industries under compulsory licensing to 6. 2. Only the 4 industries were reserved for the public sector. 3. Disinvestment was carried out in case of many public sector companies. 4. The percentage of foreign direct investment (FDI) was increased. 5. Automatic permission was given for signing technology agreements with foreign companies. 6. Foreign Investment Promotion Board (FIPB) was set up to promote and channelize foreign investment in India. New Industrial Policy 1991 has resulted into the following 3 reforms. 1. Liberalization. 2. Privatization. And 3. Globalization. 1. Liberalization means the removal of controls. In order to encourage economic development, liberalization of the Indian industry has taken place with respect to 1. Abolishing licensing requirement in most of the industries, except a short list. 2. Freedom in deciding the scale of business activities. That is, no restrictions on expansion or contraction of business activities. 3. Removal of restrictions on the movement of goods and services. 4. Freedom in fixing the prices of goods and services. 5. Reduction in tax rates and lifting of unnecessary controls over the economy. 6. Simplifying procedures for imports and exports. 7. Making it easier to attract foreign capital and technology to India. 2. Privatization. 1. The new set of economic reforms aimed at giving greater role to the private sector and reduced the role of the public sector. 2. Disinvestments of many public sector companies. The term disinvestments means transfer in the public sector companies to the private sector. 3. SIC Public Sector Undertaking (PSU) refer to the enterprises to the Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. 3. Globalization. Globalization means the integration of the various economies of the world through liberalization, export promotion, setting up of business abroad, foreign direct investment, exchange of technological knowledge, etc. Demonetization. On November 8, 2016, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the demonetization of 500 rupees and 1000 rupees currency notes. Demonetization is a situation where the central bank of the country withdraws the old currency notes. Demonetized notes are no longer valid as legal currency. Usually, a new currency replaces the old currency units. The aim of demonetization was to hold back corruption, imitate fraudulently use of high denomination notes for illegal activities, and especially the accumulation of black money generated by income that has not been declared to the tax authorities. Impact of government policy changes on business and industry. 1. Increasing competition. As a result of changes in the rules of industrial licensing and entry of foreign firms, created competition for Indian industries. Industries like telecommunications, airlines, banking, insurance, etc. 2. More demanding customers. Customers today have become more demanding because they are well informed. Increased competition in the market gives the customers wider choice in purchasing better quality of goods and services. 3. Rapidly changing technological environment. Increased competition forces the firms to develop new ways to survive and grow in the market. New technologies make it possible to improve machines, process, products and services. 4. Necessity for change. After new industrial policy, the market forces, demand and supply, are changing at a very fast rate. Change in the various components of business environment has made it necessary for the business firms to modify their policies and operations from time to time. 5. Need for developing human resource. The new business world requires higher competence and skilled workforce. Therefore, training and developing human resources is important. 6. Market orientation. In a fast-changing world, there is a shift to market orientation. Every business firms now have to study and analyze the market first, and produce goods accordingly. 7. Loss of budgetary support to the public sector. The central government's budgetary support for financing the public sector outlays has declined over the years. The public sector undertakings have realized that, in order to survive and grow, they will have to be more efficient and generate their own resources for the purpose. Chapter 3: Business Environment. Mind mapping and summarizing. Meaning of business environment. The term business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise but that may affect its performance. Features of business environment are: 1. Totality of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of all the forces and factors external to a business firm. 2. Business environment includes both specific and general forces. 3. Interrelatedness. 4. Business environment is dynamic in which it keeps on changing. 5. Business environment is uncertain as it is difficult to predict the future environmental changes. 6. Business environment is complex. 7. Relativity. Business environment is a relative concept whose impact differs from country to country, region to region and firm to firm. Importance of business environment. 1. Enables the firm to identify opportunities to get the first mover advantage. 2. Business environment helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signal. 3. Business environment helps in tapping useful resources. 4. Business environment helps in coping with rapid changes. 5. Business environment helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. 6. Business environment helps in improving performance. Dimensions of business environment. 1. Economic environment. 2. Social environment. 3. Technological environment. 4. Political environment. 5. Legal environment. Economic environment in India. New Industrial Policy 1991 resulted into the following three reforms. 1. Liberalization. 2. Privatization. And 3. Globalization. Impact of government policy changes on business and industry. 1. Increasing competition. 2. More demanding customers. 3. Rapidly changing technological environment. 4. Necessity for change. 5. Need for developing human resource. 6. Market orientation. And 7. Loss of budgetary support to the public sector. Thanks for watching. Download the handwritten notes PDF from the description below. Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any new update.